I swear to Jesus, niggas. I swear. Man, they is down here swimming in the murky ass flood waters, yo. This shit like real nasty and grimy. We ain't gonna call this trailer park trash, but we gonna call this something right here. And I don't know what the hell we gonna call it, y'all. Reporting live from A10 Flint, Michigan, baby. We right here on motherfucking Fenton Road, cuz. These little kids down here swimming in the flood water. And this shit funny than the motherfucker. Fenton Road, right up the street is 12th Street. Not too far from Southwestern. I guess they about to unclog it. I guess, I hope so. City need to do something about this shit. The bus can't even come down here.